Hey guys, welcome to CuteArtSchool. So today we are going to be making this cute little sushi falling in love with a soy sauce bottle. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, so I hope you guys have fun drawing it. Let's get started. So first we're going to start with the top of the soy sauce bottle. So first you want to make a curved line just like that. And then from there you want to make a straight line going up from the curved line. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. Now starting from the first line we drew, we're going to make another curved line connecting it to the other line. Now going back from the first line we drew, we're going to make another curved line on top of it, and then we're going to connect it back to the second line we drew. Then starting from the bigger curved line, we're going to connect it with a diagonal line, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Now that we have made the top of the bottle, we're going to finish off the rest of it. So now you want to just draw a diagonal line going down just about right there. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. You want to make a line going just about right there. Make sure they're the same size and the same length. From there, we're going to extend it out and then create a diagonal line. And then we are going to extend that out more, making it wider and wider as we go. And then after, we're going to curve it out just like that and stopping right about there. And then we're going to go ahead and curve it out a little bit more to make it more round and stopping there. We are now going to do the same on the other side. So again, a diagonal line, making it wider and wider until we get about where the curve starts on the other side. And then again, we're just going to curve it out and stopping right about there. Now to finish off the bottle, we're going to make a slightly curved line connecting the two lines together, and there you go. So now that we have the bottle made, we are going to make the soy sauce inside of it. So first you want to make a curved line inside the bottle. Then from there you want to make another curved line on top of the line we just drew, so it makes like a flat oval. And now from here we're essentially going to recreate the shape of the bottle inside the bottle. Now from here, we're just going to go down and curving it out. And then we're going to just follow the lines of the original bottle that we drew. So essentially, all you're doing is just retracing the shape inside the bottle to make the soy sauce. So now that we have drawn the bottle and the soy sauce inside the bottle, we're going to make the face. So first you want to make a circle. And then slightly across from that circle, we are going to create another circle. So from there, we're just going to create the mouth. So what you want to do is create a small little U shape in between the eyes. Now we're going to make this little bottle blush. So we're just going to make a little oval off to the side of the first eye, and then we're going to do the same thing with the other eye. And then from here, we are going to make the pupils. So all you're going to do is make a tiny curve inside the eye, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Make sure that it's looking off to the side because that's where we're going to draw the sushi. And after that, we are just going to color it in. So now that we have the soy sauce bottle made, now we're going to make the nigiri. So what you want to do is make a long curved line just like that and stopping it right where the soy sauce bottle ends. And then from the curved line that we drew, we're going to go ahead and make another curved line. We're going to finish off the sushi by making a long curved line and connecting it to the soy sauce bottle. So now that we have the top part made, we're going to go move on to the bottom. So you want to make a tiny curved line, and then you want to repeat the process again. And then we're going to keep this motion going until we have a full bed of rice made for the sushi. So again, another curved line, and we're going to just keep this going. So once you're nearing the end of making your curved lines, we're going to just connect it to the soy sauce bottle. Now we're going to add details to the top of the sushi. We are going to make little squiggly lines. And then we're going to do it again right under it. And then we're going to repeat the process. So again, another squiggly line. And then we're going to repeat the process again. This will be salmon nigiri. Now we're going to start drawing the face. So first you just want to make a circle, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to make another circle. So from here, we're going to start making the pupils. So you just want to make a curved line inside the eye, and then we're going to do the same on the other eye. And then we're going to move on to the mouth, so you just want to make a tiny little W in between the eyes. Then we're going to add the blushing cheeks, which is just 2 ovals. So we're going to make the first oval on the first eye and then the second oval on the other eye. Now we're going to go ahead and color in the eyes. So now that we have the eyes colored in, we're just going to add details to the rice. So for that, you just want to make tiny little W's throughout the little bed of rice. This will represent the little individual rice grains. Now you can add as many as you want. I'm just going to add 4. So last but not least, we are going to add the heart. So what you want to do is make a diagonal line that curves out just like that. And then you're going to make another curved line. And then you're going to finish off the heart by making a diagonal line that connects to the first line we drew. And now we are done. I hope you guys had fun drawing with me today. I had so much fun drawing with you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. If you can, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Thank you guys so much. Bye.